In today's video, I will teach you how to add hats or jewelry to a portrait with AI. Let's get started. First, go to Photor's AI photo editor in your browser. Then click Upload or drag and drop your image to begin. Now we're going to access the AI Replacer tool. From the left side toolbar, click on the AI Tools tab. Then scroll down and select the AI Replacer. Now you can define where you want to place or change the accessory in two ways. The first is the brush tool, which is manual selection. To use this, ensure your brush mode is set to add. Then adjust the brush size for precision. Then carefully paint over the area where you want the hat or jewelry to appear. And if you overselect, you can switch to the subtract mode to refine the edges. For replacing existing accessories, you can switch to the Quick Selection tool. And here, click on the hat or a piece of jewelry that you want to replace, and it will turn blue when selected. Below the selection, you'll see a text box. So write a specific and creative prompt, and the more detail you include, the better the results. Now click Generate and wait 10 to 30 seconds. And you'll get two variations each time. And if you're not satisfied, click Generate More. Then click Apply once you're happy with the edit. Now use the Compare button at the bottom left to toggle the before and after view. Then click Download to save your portrait with its new accessories. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.